Come on,
Imagine owning
move
a
it, let's
compact
go!
camper that combines the charm of a classic mini truck with the comfort of a tiny
Okay,
home.
I'm going as
At
fast as I
first
can.
glance, this unique three-wheeled camper immediately stands
Faster!
out with its retro styling, deep red body, white lower panels, and vintage-inspired design. Although it carries Toyota branding, this appears to be a custom concept or digitally created design rather than an official production vehicle. Still, it presents an exciting vision of what an ultra-compact camper could look like for travelers who love adventure but don't want the size and cost of a traditional RV. Starting with the exterior, the camper is built on a tiny three-wheel platform, making it much smaller than a standard motorhome. The compact size would make it extremely easy to drive through narrow streets, crowded cities, or scenic countryside roads. Unlike large RVs that require special parking spaces, this miniature camper could fit into many regular parking spots, making spontaneous road trips much more convenient. The high-roof camper shell dramatically increases the available interior space. Large side windows provide natural light while helping the cabin feel more open than expected. The rear entry door swings open wide, allowing easy access to the living area and making loading camping equipment much simpler. One of the most impressive features is the cozy wooden interior. Warm wood paneling gives the cabin a classic cabin-like atmosphere instead of the cold plastic finish found in many budget campers. Soft lighting creates a relaxing environment, making the camper feel welcoming after a long day of driving. As you enter through the rear door, you'll notice a comfortable seating area that can easily double as a sleeping space. During the day, it works as a compact lounge where travelers can relax, read a book, or enjoy meals. At night, the cushions can be rearranged into a bed suitable for one or possibly two people depending on the final layout. Storage has been cleverly integrated throughout the camper. Small overhead shelves hold books, personal belongings, and travel essentials without taking up valuable floor space. Compact cabinets would provide room for clothing, cooking supplies, and camping gear, helping keep the interior organized despite its small size. The kitchenette is another highlight. Even in such a compact vehicle, there's enough counter space for preparing simple meals. A small sink allows travelers to wash dishes or freshen up while on the road. Depending on the final specifications, a portable induction cooktop or small gas stove could easily be included for cooking. Natural light enters through multiple windows, reducing the need for artificial lighting during the day. Combined with warm LED lights in the evening, the interior feels bright and inviting throughout the day. Ventilation is also important in any camper, and this concept appears to include a roof-mounted vent or air conditioning unit. This would help circulate fresh air and maintain a comfortable temperature during summer adventures or overnight camping. Because of its compact footprint, this camper would likely focus on efficiency rather than luxury. Instead of carrying large water tanks, oversized refrigerators, or bulky furniture, every component would be designed to maximize available space while minimizing weight. Power could come from a small gasoline engine, hybrid drivetrain, or even an electric motor if developed as a modern concept. Solar panels on the roof could provide additional electricity for lights, charging phones, powering small appliances, and running ventilation fans during off-grid camping. Safety would remain an important consideration. Modern versions could include reinforced body construction, LED lighting, rear view cameras, parking sensors, and upgraded braking systems to improve driver confidence despite the camper's unusual three-wheel layout. One major advantage would be affordability compared to full-size RVs. Traditional motorhomes often cost tens or even hundreds of thousands of dollars. A tiny camper like this could potentially appeal to solo travelers, weekend campers, digital nomads, photographers, and outdoor enthusiasts looking for a budget-friendly alternative that is easy to maintain and inexpensive to operate. Fuel economy would likely be another major benefit. Thanks to its lightweight construction and compact dimensions, it could consume significantly less fuel than conventional camper vans, making long-distance travel much more economical. This camper is also perfect for travelers who enjoy minimalist living. Instead of carrying unnecessary items, owners would focus on essential gear, making every journey simpler, lighter, and more enjoyable. Whether exploring mountain roads, coastal highways, forests, or peaceful lakesides, this tiny home on wheels demonstrates that unforgettable adventures don't require a massive RV. While this particular Toyota-branded camper appears to be a concept or artistic visualization rather than an officially released production model, it beautifully showcases the growing trend toward compact, efficient, and affordable micro-campers. If manufacturers ever bring a vehicle like this to market, it could become one of the most exciting options for people who dream of exploring the world with everything they need packed into one incredibly small yet surprisingly comfortable home on 3 wheels.